His crypto wants to replace YouTube and power AI at the same time. Meet AIOZ Network, AIOZ. AIOZ is a decentralized content delivery network that runs on blockchain. That means faster, cheaper, and censorship-resistant streaming. Perfect for the future of video and AI. Instead of big tech owning your data, AIOZ uses thousands of nodes around the world to store and deliver video content. Founded in Singapore, AIOZ is now launching AI-powered tools to support creators and machine learning apps. In 2025, it integrated with NVIDIA-backed platforms and partnered with several Web3 video apps. Analysts say AIOZ could jump from under 30 cents today to $2 by 2027 and even $5 by 2030 if adoption continues. Imagine investing in the next YouTube, but decentralized. Follow for more crypto gems daily, only on CoinCrack.